Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we will see how we can install LEMP Stack, LEMP Stack, that is Nginx, MySQL, PHP. Whenever the new setup is done for AAPanel, they are prompted with these softwares. Let me reload it and see we are getting the same pop-up or not. So as you can see, we are getting the same pop-up. We can either install this or this. So let's install LEMP Stack. For installing, simply click on one click by clicking on checkboxes and wait for installing. So the installer has started. It will take 2 to 3 minutes, or you can, even if you close the window, it will still be there. Like I have closed the window, but if you click on this number 5 at the top left corner, we can still see this. So let me fast forward it. So everything is now installed. So let's close this and let me open the IP in the browser and see if we are getting anything or not. So as you can see, we are at least getting something. That means the application AAPanel and Nginx is configured. So everything related to the server is now installed. We have installed Nginx, PHP admin and other stuffs. Let's open the PHP admin. How we can do that? Let's go to the database and here is the PHP admin. Let's click on public access and here we are. So this is the PHP admin that we installed. And for the Nginx, for that we will have to add the domains and then we can cross check that. So this is for all in this video, and in the next video we will see other things.